Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my channel today. It's all about the unboxing, the reveal, my brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Oh my gosh, I have been so excited about getting this thing, and it finally happened, and I've put a video together. I hope you don't mind how crude it is. I'm doing the best I can with what little I have, but oh my, I cannot wait to learn how to use this machine. Thank you, all of you out there who are followers of my channel, subscribers, giving my videos thumbs ups, visiting my RedBubble store, and picking up TWB items. I get a royalty every time you do that. The link is down below. Thank you for joining my Facebook group page and Instagram. And a big shout out to all of you out there who are sponsor members of Traveling with Bruce. You can join my page, my channel, by hitting this join button right here, following the prompts. And on Monday night, 7 o'clock Eastern, we have a sponsor member hangout show, followed by the big show at 8. Come and join me then. Thank you, all of you, for your support. Oh my God, look what we have here. Folks, we've got 2 bags from the Apple Store. What have we done? I'm so excited. I can't stand it. This is the new MacBook Pro 16-inch, and I can't wait to open this up with you on the air right now. Oh, look at this. Here's the receipt. Well, let's take a look at what we have here from the Apple Store. This is exciting. I get my glasses on. I don't want to miss any of this. The MacBook Pro 16-inch from Apple. Here we are. Oh my goodness. Look at that. The box. I don't even want to spoil the box. It's beautiful. This is a dream come true. I have to tell you, I have been pining for this for quite some time, and because of my viewers and their generosity, I was able to finally afford to get one of these. The MacBook Pro, and inside this computer we have the 2.4 gigahertz 8-core i9 chip, 16 megabyte, 32 gigabyte of memory, 2 terabytes of storage, the AMD Radeon Pro 55M with 8 gigabyte of memory, and the 4 Thunderbolts, and oh my goodness, I can't wait. Let's open this up and see what this is all about. Oh, let's find out. We'll cut open here the plastic with my nail and just unpeel it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. Oh, it's just too pretty to open up. Whoa! My lid. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. Here it is. Here it is. It's got this cover on it. We have to take the cover off. We just peel it off. Someone said that it smells like a cupcake. But it's wonderful. My, oh my, oh my. How about that? Is this beautiful or what? Apparently going to be quite the performer. The amount of work I have to do these days as a YouTuber on 2 channels. Yeah, we've got our cord here. We also have in here our instructions and stickers, and then we of course have our adapter to plug in the wall, charge it up. Fantastic. Oh, I can't wait to get this started. This is going to be something, a little bit of a learning curve. By the way, does anybody know how to turn it on? Well, I also had some accessories to acquire today, so let's take a look at the accessories I got. First off, we have here the lightning, the cable, an extra cable. This will allow me to link my phone in directly, or to allow me to link my big ass iPad as a second screen into the computer. And then of course we have the magic mouse, of course. We've got that. Fantastic. And then the third item, and this one I didn't think I'd need this, but I was at the Apple Store talking to the rep, and we figured it out together. It's basically a 3 multi-port docking station here. This is going to allow me to insert SD cards. I have 2 ports here for my microphone or my webcam. I also have my connection to my cable, so I can directly plug straight into my modem if necessary. All depends on performance. So really handy unit. Those are the 3 accessories I've acquired so far at this point to get things started, and we will plug everything in and get it up and running. And we'll see what other accessories we need as time goes by and as the budget allows. Here we are behind the new MacBook Pro. Unbelievable. A little smaller than the old one, but oh my, unbelievably fast and powerful. It makes no noise. It makes no sounds. I know there are fans in here, but I don't hear them, and the computer is always cool to the touch. It's unbelievable. My other computer is hot. It just runs so hot. I can't, I have to have a pad between my legs and the computer just to, you know, allow the heat to escape and not burn my legs. This one here, unbelievable. What a machine. So far, fantastic. I just have to figure out how to use it. I can make it do certain things, but I think I got 2% of this thing figured out. The other 98% I'm learning. But that's all right. That's okay. I'm willing to pay the price and take the time to dedicate to this machine. Wow, what a computer. Take a look at the size difference between the 2 machines. I've got my brand new MacBook Pro on top of my old Hewlett-Packard PC that I've been using. And you can see here where I've cornered it in the back there. You can see how much more computer space you needed with the old one. The old Hewlett-Packard, much thicker, much bigger. Now it had a 17-inch screen and I have a 16-inch screen, but I gotta say it's got to be 3 inches, you know, all around for difference. It's absolutely unbelievable. The weight is about the same, although I swear the Apple feels lighter to me. I think the thing about the Apple is that it's much better centered. If you pick up my Hewlett-Packard in the front corner, it just wants to fall off the back because the batteries are in the back and it just makes it back heavy. Here, I've taken the MacBook Pro and literally put it inside my regular my former computer. So you can just see how much space there is between the two. The difference in size as I zoom in here on the one corner. I've tried to center the Apple on top of my old computer, and you can just see how much space there is. Now on the bezel at the back there where the screen is, you can see that, of course, the Apple screen is a bit smaller because it's only a 16-inch versus 17-inch, but there isn't as much bezel around the outside of the machine. Absolutely phenomenal. The quality of the build is phenomenal. The sound from the speakers is just heavenly. There's a couple of woofers in this thing. I don't know how they do it. It's just amazing. And here's a stock photo from Apple itself of my keypad. They can take much better pictures than I can of my own computer. The slide bar at the very top there, a whole mystery of life. I've used it a little bit for volume control and a little bit of brightness control on my screen, but I know I have a lot to learn there. Like I said earlier, I really believe I'm using about 2 to 3% of this computer's capability at the moment. It's only been 3 days. I have never had an Apple computer before, and it is a steep learning curve on a very high-end machine, but I am excited. Those are the speakers there on the one side and on the other, by the way, phenomenal. The screen resolution, fantastic. Like I say, a 2.4 gigahertz 8-core Intel Core i9 with 16 megabyte cache. I don't know what half that means. All I can tell you is it's fast, it's quiet, and it's beautiful, and it's going to be great. I can't wait to figure out how to edit videos on this thing. That's a learning curve I'm in the middle of as well, and we will get it done. Thank you to all of my viewers and subscribers and all of you who helped donate to get me this machine. I cannot thank you enough. And I will do a follow-up video on how it's going. A couple of weeks from now, maybe a month from now, I'll do another video on how I am figuring this machine out. and learning all of its tricks. Man, this is something. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm out of here. I'm going back to work. How does my MacBook Pro work? That is Bruce's mission in life right now. We'll talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.